Okay. Ah, where did we left off? We did so much time. I still haven't made this big floating thing. Implemented this too. Yeah, I guess it's the unregistered. Am I... Did I go live properly, or as always it took the wrong... Oh no, it is the correct category. For once, it's a miracle. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. I guess the... Nice to start working on this. The only issue is I don't have these methods anymore. Ah. I'm still not sure about what emits these messages. It's all very complicated stuff, man. Because you have these global metrics. I don't even know. Oh, there's a whole folder for it. It just extends now. There are certain things about GDScript that I still don't understand. Honestly, many things. Extends ref count. I guess I'll just implement more of the graph edit today. Since that's what I'm the most confused on. We added the update graph. I don't think I added it already. Oh yeah, okay. I did. Being added the add nodes. We can do the connect ones. So I think they also do this actually. Yeah, when we do this, wait. Should be like the yeah, I do add a child nodes variable. Okay. Not called that, it's called child nodes. I guess we make it as Godot array. And 0 then child. Oh, I didn't fully implement the add nodes function either. Same thing that we were doing here. Oh, it calls itself on point. Oh my god, yeah, that's... Oh no. Can you even do that? That's not very pretty, honestly. Like as a solution. Children in this case is an array of dictionary. So I think I can just cast this as dictionary. Then it works, yeah. Wait, but since that was missing before, what does that do? Object reference not set on instance. Okay, that's kind of dumb. The fact that now works. Okay, I defo broke something. It's not loading anymore, so... Isn't that just fun? I'm only getting warnings though. Oh, never mind. I just need to reload the project then. But yeah, we don't have any noticeable changes. At least we're not getting like infinite reference. This needs to be called as a dictionary. We call the connect node method. And then child ID as well. Oh god. What is this method though? Connect node is a exist. Not new. Is this dot connect node? Oh. So what do you need? It needs a string name from node, an int, and then another int. Okay, but it needs the string names, that's why. And then finally, what's the last parameter? 0 always. And then finally, we always call connect nodes. Okay, no errors, but we still haven't gotten any progress here. Might be fine for now. There's this whole process begin, process interrupt, process tick. That I could add these methods, but honestly, I don't know to what scope. I need to figure out that part of the messages.
Just a cage of bones. There's nothing inside. Will it unleash me, burning down the walls?
He has a mess, can send message.
For me to break. I'm a shapeshifter at post masquerade, hiding both face and mind, all free for you to draw. I'm a shapeshifter, have no face to show. Please don't take off my
So they have to find everything that uses this. The whole... What if I not look only there, I look somewhere else? Okay. Oh, now this stars makes a little bit more sense. So you have this class with all the messages and then they get called by the behavior tree. The behavior tree is the actual one that sends all this information, which should be something similar to what we have set up here, where you have the behavior tree. And then here it calls the register. Okay. Oh. Launch! Hello! How are you doing, man? Long time no see. Oh, I'm doing good, I'm doing good. Just losing my mind a little bit with this. Oh, I do get the status here. I do get the status. And I can probably also send the process tick here. I can probably do that, yeah. Because that update 3 method, oh my god, it's everything is so complicated. Everything is so complicated, man, but yeah, I'm doing good, launch. I've been having tons of fun lately, with especially with Resident Evil 9. It took me nothing to 100% that game. It was a good time, it was a really good time. And now I'm working on I'm trying to basically copy the code that someone else has done. Because I want to make like these little graphs here. Um, and so far I've been pretty much failing at it. Like my graphs, sometimes they don't even load. That's how bad we are. But I'm still figuring things out. Maybe it's because like I'm moving code from one language to another, and it's not easy. Because it's not just the language that changes, it's also like I'm trying to join to... I'm working on 2 projects that people made, and I'm trying to join the 2 in a very messed up way. But it's gonna take me a while before I get any actual results. Wait, they call the thick method both on physics process and process? Isn't that fucked up? Wouldn't you be sending all of this twice? That's... There should be a parameter or something to differentiate them. Well, I guess it's because of the tick rate check. It's not that bad. Yeah, okay. It's not that terrible because of this. Yeah, got it. Okay. How am I supposed to do all of this? I wanna cry. I don't know. I don't know where to begin. There's so much to do. I'm getting choice paralysis, man. Let's see. Okay, let's start working on making the graph edit one, I guess, and we will move from there. Like the draw method is probably useful, yeah. Wait, when is this used though? Oh, I'll figure it out. I like the confidence launch. I hope I figure it out. Oh, it's an override. Okay. Wait. Okay. Well. So yeah, like as you can see, I have some code on the right. I'm just gonna copy it on the left. It's that simple. Oh, that's as constant. Wait, is it? What is this? It's an integer. Okay. Then we have a connections variable. And I don't think I have this method. Oh, I do have it. Never mind. Okay. Oh, he calls them C here. I hate with passion when people do this shit, man. Like when they call variables just a single letter. Okay, but connections is a dictionary, so accessing from node is... It has to be like this, a string name. I'm gonna have to look this up. I don't trust whatever the fuck I'm doing. Oh, get connections is it's a graph edit method. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at the documentation of this. I have no choice. Okay, this is not really helpful. Okay, yeah, I have to use the underscores. Okay. What else? What else? What else? And we make need nodes. Can you do that? A new vector 2. It's gonna need the from dot position. Oh wow. It's because is this just a node? It is just a node. But I'm guessing I'm not just getting a node. In reality, I'm trying to get a graph node. If that's PT graph node. That's my guess. We're trying to get a graph node here. That means I'm gonna have to make if from equal null or this equal null return. Just to make sure we don't break stuff. Oh boy. What is all of this that I need to copy? From position from dot get custom. Yeah, I don't have that method. So output port position. Do you need any parameters? Yes, it does. The horizontal layout. And then we time that by zoom. We need to implement this now. on the graph node. Yeah, the graph node, there's a shit ton of things that I need to do. I haven't done that yet. And it's a set slot method. Oh, it's okay. The built-in method. Then it's one left enabled -1 color dot white. I wish there was an enum for this. Oh. What's the HTML color for white? I think it's 000, but HTML color white. Oh, it's FFF, okay. Eh? Can I just write white? What do you want about that? What? Oh. The default color if you cannot find it. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know, man. It's a default color? Like, what the fuck, man? Bro, what do you want from me? I just wanna set a color. What's so difficult about all of this? It literally says that it can accept one color. Ah, but wait, the issue is... So it's 1 left -1 white right, then -1. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna make a variable for the white. For white equals this. I'm gonna reuse this shit everywhere. So it's right enable -1 white. And then what? Port left icon, port right icon. We're gonna need this too. Okay, thank you. God damn it, that was complicated. Holy shit. Honestly. You're gonna need 2 of this. Maybe 0 and 2. What the fuck even is the color transparent? Can I just write transparent and hope for the best? Like, can I do that? Then here it needs to be false. -1, right in. Transparent, you stay white. You are null. And you are null. Okay. Honestly, I have no idea what all of this does. I'm very much lost. I hope this works. The only, well, to be honest, the only thing that I'm bothered is this. Is that there is a very high likelihood that this is gonna give an error. Wait, the node doesn't have? Oh yeah, it's because it has a different method. So we return new sector 2 0 size dot y divided by 2.0f for good measure. Okay. Is this... oh, it's the opposite. It's always divided by 2, but then it's on the x, not on the y. Okay. We cannot add to vector. Well, I guess I could just get rid of this, the new vector 2. That way you just add them and multiply them. And then the order of operations dictates the result, yeah. Right, I love how JetBrains just figures that shit out. Oh wait, but these methods are different. This is custom output and custom input. Guessing it's gonna be similar. Oh. Oh, I was copying the logic from the output, from the input on the output, so I fucked up the output. The output needs to be size dot x, and then here it needs to be size dot y. Okay. I shall fix the error here. We're gonna have to make this method. Okay. So, what does this method do? It's a packed vector to array. Oh, this is it's kind of weird. But I'm just gonna copy. What does this return? It returns a packed vector to array. Set up as a struct. I haven't used structs that much on C#. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it doesn't have like this pushback method. I'm already confused. Oh, it's an array of vector 2s. It says memory. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Apparently there is notable differences between C# and this. The equivalent of packed arrays are system.array. Oh, it's just a vector 2 array. Okay. Okay. I don't need to overcomplicate my life. But I don't have that pushback method. So I need to learn what the pushback method does. Inserts a vector 2 at the end. Okay. So wait, what does it mean at the end? I'm guessing it's at the array length plus 1. I guess it's gonna be of. It's gonna have 4 positions, because it's gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. So length being 4 is fine. So this 0 is gonna be equal to from position. Oh wait. Then if horizontal layout, we're gonna have to be let's see, the mid position is gonna be the sum of those two. Bro, how the fuck does he know? What? Oh, that's actually incredible. Do I round to what? Oh, okay, then why the fuck were you giving an error? Oh, I understand. To be honest, we cannot really, yeah, we cannot really do this. We cannot really round a vector to, yeah, that's dumb. We can round mid position dot x. We can just round this though. Yeah, and the same with the y. That's the best I can do. And then finally, this is gonna be equal to a new vector 2, which is gonna take the mid position dot x and it's gonna take the from position dot y. And then you are gonna be the same but with 2 position dot y. And in this case, things flip. So you're gonna get the mid position, then the from position dot x, and the 2 position x. Finally, yeah, we do return points at the very end, but before that points, it needs to be 2 position. Oh, yeah, why not? Keep things in order like this. Okay. That makes the elbow connection line. Then I'm gonna need 2 colors. Color from color. Color to color. It is match. Yeah, I don't know. Godot match. I is used to branch and execution of a program. It's the equivalent of the switch. So match, you'd match a state value, a test value, and then if it's the same, if it's okay, the switch. So yeah, you're using this, and then it matches to all of this. Okay, I understand what it's doing now. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely something that you will do with a switch, or you can even do it with multiple ifs. It's not that bad here. Expression is gonna be a case, the set. I guess we do it as int, and then we can do like wait, there was a way to do enum dot oh bro, I forgot. Wait, what do you mean you can't read it as an int? I know you can. I think you just cast it. I actually wait. I think you just cast it. I think you just cast the whole thing. Let's see. Failure, failed, and then running. The question is if his status is actually written in the way I need. There is something to look for. Okay, yeah, it is. Perfect then. No issues here then. Yeah, apparently we're gonna need to define those colors. Pretty sure they're gonna be constants. Oh. I cannot make them constants, really? No, we cannot do that. Okay, I guess we will just make variables. I guess we're gonna define those already. Yeah. Oh god. Perfect. Now. Okay. Now we just need to copy the same things, but we do it for the 2. And we change this to 2 color. Okay. God damn it, man. Okay, why is this not... Why is this giving an error? Ah, no, yeah, I forgot to write the default here. Okay. I'm glad we solved that.
Hey, that's the girl from the posters. A pimp gave her flowers, now they call her horticulture. She said her body was a sculpture. They picking at her flesh. She always followed by the vultures, devouring her carcass. They tearing up every part of her. Stars in her eyes, she is beautiful as Andromeda. Astronomers with high power telescope spot her. She lit in the club like a bottle with the sparklers. Let's go. We going up, send them girls to our section reflexing. You know what's up, plus. When we leave, they go with us. Like participation trophies just for showing
So this is from 0.3. We change the A again. 0.3. And then this one is a flat 9. Am I messing up something? Doesn't seem like it. I don't have active node. Wait, this variable active nodes, how come it's empty? What's supposed to have an array of string? Hmm. String array. But how does it use it? Because, like, do we know how big it will ever be? Because it has even methods like erase and push back. So this feels like a list more than an array. Oh yeah, and when we set the behavior tree, and instead of this, it has active nodes. That's every time the behavior tree changes. Okay. Okay. We're gonna have to do a couple checks on the this list. That for now it's gonna be empty, but we can get ahead. So if it's not empty, that means the count is greater than 0. And the from node Okay, and active nodes that contains from node. And active nodes that contains to node, I'm guessing, yeah. Yeah. At that point you do this stuff that's here. Let's continue. Are we inside a loop here? Oh yeah, we were. Ah, man. I should also bring some of these comments, honestly. I focus so much on the code that I forget that the person that actually made this did a good job actually commenting this shit. My god, there's still so much. I can't imagine just how long it took them to do that from scratch, man. Genuinely impressive. Guess I'm gonna rename this and it's gonna be lines. Okay, I can just line here. Get bake length. And I guess we just cast it as an integer. And where does this progress variable come from? It's an integer. Okay. Ah, man. I don't know what that method does. Var p equals curve dot sample bake. Returns a point with the curve at position offset, where offset is measured as a pixel distance along the curve. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to use a while loop. I do not like that. Guess we're here. We're gonna make another draw circle, and it's gonna need the curve, the sample bake, shift, and then circle size and active color, and then shift minus equal progress shift. Okay, that's the while, and then shift. It's equal to current shift plus progress shift, and then while shift is minus equal curve but get bake length. We're gonna do a draw circle. Damn, JetBrains is actually kind of intelligent. He knows more shit than I do. Oh, and that's it? We finished draw. Okay, we finished the draw method. Damn, that was long. That was like 40 minutes of drawing a single method, man. That's... God damn it. We are not even close. We are not even close. Oh, I see that they override process here. I'll do it 200 more times. I mean, you know, the it's rather like the funniest part is like I'm doing this just for like for the sake of knowledge of how this shit is done, but it brings me no progress towards anything whatsoever. Yeah, basically I'm taking this project. Now it has nothing, like it has no graphics, okay, but the important thing about this project is like it has this thing called a debugger. That the idea is you have various enemies throughout the levels, which are these 3 1 3 2 3 3 3, and they all have like their, you know, like their state machine, you know, that like they're doing something, and the idea is like, okay, the logic that they're executing, you show it in a debug graph like this. And as you can see, this already exists, it works, but I'm trying to move it because like right now that logic is written in JavaScript, which I hate with passion. So I found another project made by another guy, where he made the enemy AI. I don't know why Godot is not opening it. There you go. He made it here, but in C#. But the issue is like he made this, right? He made like the whole behavior tree and all the logic and stuff, but he didn't make a debugger for it. And since the whole project is like open source, because it's using like the classic MIT license, I was like, oh, you know what? It would be fun if I try to add the debugger to it, even though, you know, I've never done it in my entire life. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the code from this guy who made it on JavaScript and rewriting it on the project of this other guy in C sharp. Um, and everything is perfectly legal because both projects have the MIT license. So technically, I can do whatever the fuck I want with them. I could even sell it. But no, like honestly, like if I get to a good point and I actually somehow manage to make it work, I will probably just give it away for free, just as I got for free these pieces of code. My Godot just broke. It's not working, Summoner. It's okay. There you go. At least it's close now. But yeah, for now, I'm very far away from getting anything like remotely working though. Let me see if it. By the way, do you like how it just see random Pokemon icons? I'm using this new IDE called JetBrains, and I can do it has random shit that I just love. Like for example, like if I don't know changes. Okay, this is gonna give an error, but like if I load like all the loading bars, I took only 1 second, but like all the loading bars are like Pokemon and shit. I absolutely love it. Like I'm looking for a string, just see the Pokemon loading. The only issue is that sometimes it's too fast and you cannot see it, but it's the little things. It's the little things that I enjoy. Anyways, let me see if after everything I've written, if anything breaks. Because I spent 40 minutes writing code and I don't even know. Okay, it's fine. It's still not broken. So as you can see, this is the point where I am. I managed to make it so these things here appear like here. And the graph is still not showing because the graph requires like so much fucking code. Like you will think a graph is not complicated, but holy shit. Like honestly, I don't even know how people do this shit like, you know, on their own without copying another project. I genuinely have no idea. Graphs are very serious business indeed. Indeed. But like I don't know. Like for me, I'm good enough that I can take any piece of like existing software and, you know, transform it into something. But the whole idea of like, oh yeah, you know, why don't you make it from scratch? Like I'm like, bro, how? I don't know how to make anything from scratch. And some people do it. Some people are just that insane. It's greater than. You just gotta practice now. The more you do it, the better you'll get. I mean, not really, because certain things are like, certain things are just straight up like you cannot know it. um, Actually, can I do delta greater than 0.05 f? Then 10 f or 10 plus 1. Like like for example, like how many times in your life are you gonna touch the debugger of Godot? You know, like like that knowledge is just not transferable towards anything else. It just isn't. It's like, okay, but I have a feeling, okay, that I did something that's completely eating all the resources of my PC, because it is not normal that my version of Godot is just dying. And it's like the chillest project ever. It has nothing. The fact that it crashes like this, it's doing it way too. It's not a coincidence anymore. There you go. That's what I wanted to say. Oh, I know why. It's because of the fucking while loops. Because of the fucking while loops. Goddamn while loops. I knew it. They were gonna break some shit. Oh no, wait, this is bad. Oh no, did I actually just kill it? Oh god damn it. I know what broke, but I can't fix it yet. It needs to stop. Okay, it managed to kill Godot. That's good. I think it's because it needed. Let me check those while loops again. So it's based on this progress shift, and that progress shift is based on this, which is a constant. Yeah, but the current shift is based on this. And if this is 0, 0 divided by... Oh, no. Yeah, okay. I fucking wonder. Yeah, it basically gave me like the max fucking value of float. At that point, everything just goes to well, let's see if it breaks now. It is there. I can close it. Can I close the program? Okay, it's solved now. It's solved. It wasn't that big of an issue. Oh man. But anyways, how are you doing, Scummoner? Hope everything is good. I forgot to... Good, good. I'm happy to hear that. Ah, what to do now? What to do now? What to do? I've done this. I've done this. I've done that. I've done this. I've done this. I haven't done this. I gotta do this. I gotta do this. But in order to do this, I gotta do that. I can just start moving these methods. They're not gonna do anything, but you know what? I'll just do it. Like, so this is gonna take an int instance ID. Then it's gonna take a blackboard. Okay. Wait, BT blackboard, like, oh, it's a bbox container. Oh my god, James! Hello! How are you doing, James? It is me, the one and only. The man, the myth, the legend. I'm gonna have to make this other method. It's him. I'm him. Feels good being him, man. Not everyone can be him, but I can. How are you doing, James? Did you actually finish the challenges finally, or for once? Good old Resident Evil 9. Man, that game was so good, honestly. You know, like, I don't even feel that bad of spending $70 on that. It was genuinely just that good. Look at my profile on Steam, sure. Let's see if you're not fucking hitting, though. Otherwise, I'm gonna fucking suffer trying to find your ass. Oh, you're here anyway. Ah, nice, nice. Good job, good job. Time to do it for all the other Resident Evils, right? Bro, do it on RE1. I want to see you 100% RE1. That shit was so painful. I hated every moment of it. Oh, Murahime? Really? Was it that good? I was actually surprised you. Because isn't this like a hack and slash? But you know, to be honest, what I like about this is that it had really, really cool graphics. Like the anime style, they nailed it. Like a mix of DMC and Nier, so it's just like Nier. Okay, like Nier already is a DMC like but I get what you mean with the projectiles and stuff. The enemies are more like Nier, but you probably play more like DMC. Speaking of DMC, I still gotta play the. I still gotta play Devil May Cry 5. I mean, I played it already, but I don't know why. Honestly, I think it's just not the game for me. Honestly, like I gave it a fair 8 hours. If I'm not motivated to play it after, you know, giving it 8 hours, I think it's like, you know, it's not my fault. Like I didn't fail it. The game failed me. Because like if I compare to Resident Evil 9, holy shit, that shit went by. It's so fast. Oh yeah, for sure. I didn't even finish the first playthrough. You know, that's the issue. I think my issue, okay, with it is that it's meant to be played multiple times, right? But I was trying way too hard to min-max everything from the get-go, instead of just enjoying the game and just going through everything. And I do have that tendency. I have the tendency to just optimize the fun out of the games that I play. Wait, isn't the behavior tree a fucking behavior tree? Oh, it's a dictionary. I have to say ID and then us in. By the way, this is bad coding practice from my fellow coders right in the world. You don't want to do string comparisons when you can do an int comparison. An int comparison will always be better. Computers know how to do 1 = 1. They don't know how. They potentially can fail at doing high = high. Okay. Honestly, man, I'm getting tired of coding. I made good progress today, but like, I'm like, I already finished my day working. We're jumping on this shit as well. It's like kind of heavy. Oh. Coding genius reaches mental limit. Honestly, yeah. It's like it's just rough to code this much. But at the same time, you know, I kind of want to code my own stuff. I'm tired of like coding random shit. Wait, what the fuck am I supposed to get here? Oh, is this a BT graph node? I'm guessing it's a BT graph node. And then this needs to be... do you have a blackboard variable? You have a signal blackboard updated, but you do have a blackboard variable, which is a dictionary. The fucking dictionary? What do you mean it's a dictionary? Oh, god damn it. What the fuck am I supposed to do there? Help. I don't know what's going on anymore. Oh, it's gonna be a signal. I'm gonna have to make a signal. What's the error here? Okay. No, the blackboard equals blackboard. Oh boy. What do you mean there is a to-do? I was supposed to copy a perfect project. Oh, god damn it. I like how we're literally inheriting code depth from others. Let's see. Oh damn, but like none of the variables are available from the get-go. I have to define everything. I hate that. I hate that. Is a label? Oh. I'm gonna have to make kind of like this, but with the text. Let's see. So if text dot is empty, if it's empty, we give it this. Otherwise, we give text. In the style of Maple Story. What does that mean? Like on the art style, or like literally with the cube movement? Like, I need more info. With both? Oh. Huh. Saying a top-down Metroidvania is rare now these days. Oh, or you're talking probably of Maple Story 1, not Human Nest. Let me just check it out. Well, yeah, it very much is Maple Story, but mostly a solo dev game. I can see it. Honestly, like Metroidvanias, like 2D Metroidvanias are like probably the perfect genre for solo devs. What is that thing? You make your own like a trap level? What does that mean? Honestly, I like that everything is fairly clear. So many Metroidvanias just have so much shit happening, especially the anime ones like this, that you don't understand what's going on. But here the visual feedback is fairly clear. The only issue is that I know for a fact that if I were to open this game, I will go blind. Because I'm not used to this amount of pastel colors on my screens. Like, it will literally be like a traumatic experience, like going out to the sun. Oh, it's coming out 2 days. Oh man. It's like Daddy Maple's story as well. I mean, yeah. I remember being blind. But to be honest, Maple's story was it had a lot of like reds and stuff. Like, you know, maple colors. So it was just that much of a of like a violation to your eyes, let's say. Like for me, I'm just very sensitive to light changes just because of I code too much. Get status. It's a very simple. They didn't even bother making a proper. If status equals 0. Okay. That should be good enough. So I made this, that. Process tick is still incomplete. Where is the method? I don't see it. Okay. Of course, we don't have that method. No, dot blackboard equals blackboard. And if status equals behavior 3 dot succeeded, and we cast this as an int, and then if active nodes contains our node dot name. So if it doesn't contain it, we push it. Okay, active nodes dot add node dot name. And so far we only need to create this method. That's disgusting. I need to copy this. Okay, what are you supposed to do? You have a method called sales tile box overrides. Which obviously it's a custom method because it couldn't be, life couldn't be easier. Oh wow, I actually cannot do this. Oh. It requires a bunch of attributes of frames. But frames was just a ref code. Ah. I can't. Oh god, there is a whole frame script. Help. Help me. What did you mean? This was not part of the deal. I was not told this. God damn it. No, I can't. I gotta. That's enough. Does this shit compile? It compiles. I'm happy. My brain cannot handle more coding for today. Ah. I'm gonna be right back. 2 seconds. Because I seriously cannot think. I'll probably just play a little bit of Tormented Souls after this. Like, I have the entire evening for myself. I'll be back.